How to create a working budget. A monthly budget is an excellent tool to track your spending. Additionally, it enables you to reduce your spending if you are going overboard. Your spending is limited by a smart budget to an amount that is less than your entire income. So, making a working budget is the way to go whether you're looking to get out of debt, save money for a significant purchase, or simply aim to have a better understanding of your personal finances. You can keep track of your spending with a piece of paper, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. 1. For a simple solution, use a pre-made budget worksheet. Use one of the many pre-made budget worksheets available online if you'd prefer not to add functions to your own spreadsheets. Many worksheets already have addition and subtraction functions to help you calculate your budget. Worksheets list different categories of fixed and variable monthly expenses. 2. Use a spreadsheet to keep track of your spending as a technology substitute. Another advantage of using a spreadsheet is to add up your monthly revenue and expenses. Name columns for various fixed and variable expense kinds. Use the sum and subtract tools in your budget spreadsheet to tally up all of your expenses and deduct them from your net income. 3. A straightforward solution is to keep track of your spending on paper. At the top, include total net income and the amount. After that, keep note of your costs in a separate row. Write fixed and variable on the left side of the page, then list the numerous subcategories like rent, food, auto, entertainment, medical, etc. 4. If you like working online, you can use an app to keep an eye on your finances. You might opt to manage your money online if you spend the most of the day on your computer or phone anyhow. You can input your monthly income and expenses into apps to see whether you're living within your means or not. There are several helpful budgeting apps for iPhone and Android, including Quicken Mint Pocket Guard. 5. Adjust your budget each month to stay on target. Your income needs to be larger than or equal to your expenses in order to have a balanced budget. But these sums could change if you get a pay raise at work, your rent goes up each month, or you start going to the movies more frequently. 6. 20% more of your monthly income should be set aside for savings. You'll always be living from paycheck to paycheck if you don't put money aside. If it helps, see your savings as a different category of fixed expenses. Automating the transfer is a simple approach to guarantee that 20% of your salary is placed aside for savings. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.